So today I covered basically real-world evidence and how it translates to randomized clinical trials. So I talked a little bit about what real-world evidence is, what real-world data is, what randomized clinical trials and how they play together, and essentially how regulatory fits into that aspect with that, and then gave a case study about how those are both utilized in the life cycle of a medication. So I've seen a lot of trends that have happened in the industry, specifically around randomized clinical trials with patient enrollment. Even the abundance of real-world evidence has gotten much bigger in the last few years. I think there was always an emphasis on randomized clinical trials, but we're starting to see more about real-world evidence and how that plays a part in the life cycle of the drug, how it creates new indications, and sometimes leads to more randomized clinical trials for those specific things to happen. I think definitely going to conferences like this, you really get to hear more about vendors and some of the capabilities that they're doing, especially in things like AI, which has become much more, and that's another probably revolution that we're seeing in pharma in general. And so it's easy to kind of talk to those people and hear these sessions and see how these things are changing and getting a broad understanding of those at conferences for the most part.